Is an SQL certification on Coursera actually worth it? Or is it just another online certificate with no real value? In this video, I'll give you a clear and honest review so you can decide if it's worth your time and money. If you want to explore this certification, I've linked it below so you can check details and current offers. Before we start, quick tip. If you plan to take multiple data or programming courses, Coursera Plus is usually the better option. You can access multiple programs under one plan instead of paying for each one separately. Now let's talk about the certification. One of the most popular options is the Microsoft SQL Server Professional Certificate. This is a 5-course program with a rating of around 4.6 out of 5 and thousands of learners. It's beginner-friendly, so you don't need prior experience to start. Now let's look at what you actually learn. You'll start with SQL fundamentals, including writing queries and working with databases. Then you move into more advanced topics like database design, performance optimization, and security. You'll also learn how to integrate SQL with business intelligence tools like Power BI. One of the biggest strengths of this program is its practical approach. Each course includes hands-on projects where you work with real-world scenarios. This helps you build a portfolio, not just theoretical knowledge. Now let's talk about what you can do after completing it. You'll be prepared for roles like data analyst, database administrator, or entry-level data engineer. SQL is a core skill in data-related careers, so this certification can be a strong foundation. But let's keep it real. A certificate alone won't get you a job. You still need to practice, work on projects, and apply your skills. Now here's the smart approach. Instead of stopping at one certification, combine SQL with other skills like Python, data analysis, or visualization. That's how you become job ready. And this is where Coursera Plus becomes very useful. You can take SQL, Python, and full data science courses under one plan without paying for each one separately. So, is a Coursera SQL certification worth it? If you use it to build real skills and combine it with practice, then yes, it can be a strong investment, especially for beginners entering data careers. If you want to explore this certification or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the links in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and honest reviews like this.